Hello students, welcome to Saraswat classes. Now we are continuing with the retrosynthesis or disconnection approach, and in this lecture we will be discussing two group disconnection, and we will apply it to 1 comma 2 difunctionalized compounds. So we will be calling this as 1 comma 2 DIX. Okay. Now first of all we will be doing disconnections of alcohols of this type where it is functionalized or derivatized at the 2 position. So if this is 1, this is the 2 position. That is why we are considering them as 1 comma 2 difunctionalized compounds. So this particular alcohol that you see over here, it can also be derivatized. So let us compare or consider a molecule something like this, which is a ester. And if we do FGI, we can think that this particular ester can be converted into this type of an alcohol. Okay. Similarly, we can consider another type of a molecule which is like this, where X can be a Cl or a Br or a I, okay, which can be also converted to a alcohol of this type. Now, if you're considering this connection of 1 comma 2 type for this alcohol, then this will mean that we have to break the bond out here, and it will give us the synthons Nu minus. Along with that we will get a synthon of this type. Now the synthon that we see over here, the reagent for this synthon will always be an epoxide of this type. So this is basically a synthon of a epoxide. Okay, so let us apply this to another set of molecule, and we are considering over here now the disconnection of a 1 comma 2 dihydroxoamine, and what do we have? We have this molecule. Where do we disconnect? We disconnect here. So this is basically 1 comma 2 CX disconnection. The molecules that the synthons that we generate over here is going to be this one and that one. Now this is a synthon of an epoxide. We know, we have learned this just in the previous section. So we will be saying this is my epoxide, and the reagent for this particular synthon will be basically R2NH. So let us use this in a disconnection of a 1 comma 2 dihydroxyamine. So we are doing the retrosynthetic analysis of this molecule, which is the 1 comma 2 dihydroxyamine. So again we are doing 1 comma 2 DIX. We will disconnect over here, so it will lead to R2NH minus. Correspondingly we will have the synthon of the epoxide, so its reagent obviously will be the epoxide, and out here we will say it is the diethylamine. So when we consider the synthesis of the target material out here, say we are calling this for this lecture This was target material 1. So we will be saying this is R2NH in combination with the epoxide. We will have the target material 1 or molecule 1. Let us consider a bigger molecule. Let us consider the retrosynthetic analysis of a bigger molecule. Let's say this one. Okay. So let us first do FGI because the unit out here is a 1,2 alpha halo amine. If we do FGI, we can say that we can convert this chloride into a alcohol. Then what do we have? What do we get? We get 1,2 alpha hydroxy amine. We know the disconnection of a alpha hydroxyamine, for which we will do 1,2 dix. That means we disconnect over here. So what do we get? Sorry. This is going to be minus. That out here is going to be plus. This is a synthon for the epoxide. This one is the synthon for the epoxide. So out here, this becomes the epoxide, as simple as that. Okay. And this synthon will become, or we will convert this into this type of a reagent. Okay. Now, this is a derivative. This one out here is a derivative of a carboxylic acid, which is ester, isn't it? So we will do over here what? CX kind of disconnection. Okay. So if you do the CX kind of disconnection, let us break this particular bond between this carbon and this heteroatom. Okay. So this is basically a CO ester disconnection, isn't it? And then we will say what? We are getting out here basically C double bond O X plus, and that becomes O minus, isn't it? So the reagent for this obviously will be what? This we will add out here the OH group, which is our Y, say suppose, and for here we will have NH, and this becomes our OH. Again, this unit out here is a alpha hydroxyamine. So using the same principles, disconnection 1, 2 type, we will say this is basically our NH2 out here, and this is our epoxide, and that is our carboxylic acid group. Okay, so what we are going to do in the synthesis part now, we will basically react this acid, sorry, with the epoxide being in excess amount, and that will lead us to the formation of a molecule of this kind, okay, which when treated with POCl3 will lead us to the formation of the target molecule, which is going to be having the structure like this. Okay, thanks for listening. Keep visiting Sarasa classes for the disconnection of carbonyl compounds of the type 1, 2. Thanks for listening. Have a great day.